meander. Ain't you going? Ain't you
Ladies and
going?
gentlemen, welcome to our presentation of our new Pizzamachine. We are two students of the University of Applied Sciences in Mainz in Germany, and please keep in mind that we are not students of engineering, we are students of economics. And in our English class we had the topic to build something and to document it in a blog or in a wiki. And therefore other groups went through the city and made statistics about everything or stuff like that, but we want to construct something what you can see. And because of that, you see here our real pizza machine, and it works.
So it consists, of course, of various parts. So this is the framework, which is made of wood, as you can see. Furthermore, there is the main assembly line. Sorry. We have here the main assembly line, on which the bread is able to get to the heaters. Yeah, we have two heaters, which will melt the cheese and bake the pizza at the end. Our ramps, the smaller assembly lines are made of rubber or
for the ingredients.
for the ingredients, yes. It consists. It is made of rubber, which we tagged, so that we have the right size for our purpose. And yes, or in that context, the main assembly line is made of two bicycle chains and wires, because it is likely that other material would melt in the heater, of course, and therefore we decided to do it that way. So, and each assembly line is mainly driven with gear wheels and a little motor. And yes, well, we have a heater here that, in order to achieve not such a high temperature of the heaters, to cool the heaters a little bit down.
Okay, it is quite easy. We have our main assembly line and it is switched on. Okay, it is quite easy. We have our main assembly line, it is switched on. And you can see it. These are our bicycle chains. So we need the bicycle chains, as you know, that it can't be melted down due to the high heater with a strong performance. Okay. Now we want to start.
Furthermore, we have the ingredients right to fall on the bread.
Exactly.
Ingredients are in our storages and ready for preparation.
Okay, we have cheese, salami, tomatoes, champignons. Okay. And now it is our first one for this lesson. And here you can see, oh, this is great. Here you can see the slot where the ingredients fall onto the bread. Okay, so. And now put the bread in, Patrick.
Okay. I'm a little bit nervous. First try for this project. Let's see.
Okay, it falls down.
Important moment. Okay.
Okay. Great.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah, that's normal. We need some calibration to fix our first problems. But you see, the salami fell onto the bread.
One piece?
Yeah.
Look at this.
But the secondary assembly line was empty. Yeah, so we need some stuff to fill it.
So we need some adjustment here. Should we?
Yeah, maybe the bread was too not large enough. The height of it was.
Should we try another?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, put it in. Falls down. on the main assembly line, and here you can see the laser light don't react because it's too the heat.
The second one is working really well.
Well, yes, right. And the cheese not still perfect. We need to increase the holes in it. But the salami was perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, of course the cheese don't melt enough, but you can see it works.
Oh, this is incredible.
Yes, right. Oh, the first heater wasn't switched on, so we have here. Yeah, there's a security button that it's a timer. Okay, and now we put it on 30 minutes. Okay, I think we should try a higher bread, a higher piece of bread maybe.
Yes.
Do we have
So you think
some higher? Or we must.
you don't really have one?
Okay, we must create one of it. Yeah.
I
think
prepare
so.
one.
But I put my hands in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or should
and
I?
there we can see that it works.
Or not.
Or not. Oh, this is hot. The wire between us.
So is there a problem with the...
I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a problem.
Okay.
Okay, but we can fix it. Maybe we switch it off and on. Really, really, really.
So far so good.
Okay, it don't react. I have no idea what it could be. Okay, because
Here, maybe it is...
no, we have here. This was the module, the power supply for our sensors. And I mean, one of the two, it works well.
yeah.
Absolutely fine. Okay, and the other one not quite perfect. Yeah, the salami
The
is.
salami
it's
get a
not-
little bit stuck in the...
Yeah,
This is not
maybe
so
the size of the pieces are still not perfect, but
Yeah.
we'll work on this. Okay. Here you can see the sensor of our laser unit. And we can calibrate it. And with the calibration, you can set the tact of the light. And maybe we have the problem, the laser unit works with infrared. And infrared is coming also from the heaters, yeah? And it's a light what you can't see. And the module in here, the module works. Good. The module works with a blinker. You can see it, yeah? Okay, you can calibrate the laser unit on this potentiometer. Okay, and when you turn this into the other direction, then you can set it, or you can set the tact of the light. And this was the reason why it can't work, because the signal was not calibrated. And now we must protect this, because when the ingredients fall down on this unit, then it could be happen that it's damaged. Okay, on. Heater, we can switch it also on, because then we can see if the cheese will melt down. Okay. So, and when we put a piece of bread in it, okay. And now you see the tomatoes and the champignons fall in it. And the second one, normally cheese and salami, but here we have the problem, the pieces are not small enough. So we must rework, or we must justify it. Okay, and now we have the heater, and the heater warm it up. The heater has a lot of performance, and this is, or could be one of our first piece. And we have also a loudspeaker system. So when you have enough pressure, enough breath on the ramp, then it gives a signal that it's full.